So Nolan just ate. We're going to try the Handy Burpums. Doesn't like to cooperate. There we go. Went right into the pocket. Good job, buddy.